Okay, got 2 items today. How to renew the tape on your shower head and how to replace the Escutcheon trim. So I'm going to do the Escutcheon trim first.
Sometimes you need some jaw protected channel locks to remove the shower head.
That Teflon tape does look old. And here's my new Escutcheon.
By jaw protected, I mean some tape on the jaws.
This protective film on it. So we'll take all that film off, which may be the most difficult part of this. Yeah. There we go. And you see these tabs inside here. You can kind of bend these in. So you want a nice tight fit on there. The tabs are what hold it on. And then to remove the old one, sometimes you may have to use a utility knife and slice through some caulking and whatnot. And just kind of rotate around, get a start on it. And then we can just slide off. Peel here. And this we can just pull off and or thread off. This one, the old Teflon tape, you can remove it. You can use a wire brush to remove it if you need to, or a lot of times you can just cover over it. I know some people don't like to hear that, but if you were in a hurry, just telling you the real deal. My actual opinion is it won't hurt anything. Oh, probably a lot of people will be like, whatever. But, you know, it's just Teflon tape. So, but first we want to put our new Escutcheon on, or our new Flange. So, just going to rotate this on. It is a little better from the other end, as you can bend these in, and then as you're pushing it in and threading it in, it'll be tight. So it's a little trickier, definitely from this side. But if you didn't want to take it all apart, then you can just get it started. Sometimes it's getting started, it is a little bit tricky. There we go. Okay. Come on, buddy. This one's kind of having a hard time with the old Teflon tape. So some of you are probably like, that serves you right. You should have removed that old stuff. And you might be right. Because it's probably what it's hanging up on. Doesn't seem to be able to make it past it. So I may have to take it off and take off that Teflon tape. But if I wasn't replacing the Escutcheon, then you could just go over the old Teflon tape. So, got the majority of it off there. There we go. And now we'll see if we rotate on. I believe it should. There we go. And we are nice and tight, so that's good. It probably wouldn't have hurt to replace this neck as well, but that's okay. There's the Escutcheon, or the Flange. There we go, we're nice and tight. Really tight. Okay. And now we'll wrap some Teflon tape. I find these shower heads sometimes take between 7, 8, 12 turns. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cover up the old leftover little bit of remnant of the deal. So it's a nice clean white edge. And we can skip the first 1 or 2 threads. That's about 6, 7, 8 turns. 9. That should do good for this shower head. This is a Niagara shower head. It's a relatively inexpensive shower head, but it's about the best one that I found for the pressure. So I'm in California, and they are definitely tightening down on the amounts of GPM, the gallons per minute, that you can use anymore. So these were a 2.2, and some of the newer ones are 1.5, but it's less water. But these Niagara ones do about the best job I've found for giving good pressure even with less water. So at least you still can get cleaned up and get the soap off. Alright, again, I'll put links in the description below for items for the shower head. I do make a little commission on anything ordered through there. And it's not much on these, but it's something. Yeah, nice amount of pressure with not a ton of water. But it gives good pressure. Alright. There we go. And I'll be replacing the drain with the new fit, which I've showed you these before. It's just the silicone is on. It's a new pop-up drain to cover the discolored one, rather than risking causing a leak downstairs or anything. So, a nice, easy deal. And I need to replace some tub cartridges. I've showed all these in other videos, so I won't bore you with showing you the same thing again.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.